The world is at a turning point. Artificial intelligence is spreading all around us, offering endless potential to improve the ways we live and work. To address the needs in industrial environments and to unleash the potential of AI, we introduce UP Xtreme, the powerful, industrial, expandable, AI-proof, production-ready computing platform. The latest 8th generation Intel Core i processor delivers astonishing graphics and processing performance in 15 watts. Designed for an industrial environment to run boards at 0 to 60 degrees Celsius and a system from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, built with multiple expandable options. Easily add on multiple Intel Movidius Myriad X's to enable deep learning AI inference on the edge. All that fits in just 120 by 122 millimeters. We've built a complete ecosystem around UP Xtreme for AI, IoT, automation, robotics, and more. Buy UP Xtreme online and get it in your hands in just a few days. Join the UP industrial community. Download software images, libraries, and share your projects. Join our eco-partners and create market-ready solutions with us. All documents and software are available to download. No bottlenecks in development. UP Xtreme. Boost computing power to the extreme.